In this video, you'll learn how to check trending tokens in Phantom Wallet. By following these simple steps, you will be able to easily find and explore the most popular tokens in your wallet. Begin by opening the Phantom Wallet application on your device and ensure that you have a stable internet connection to facilitate smoother navigation within the app. Once the application is open, locate the search icon, which resembles a magnifying glass. This icon is typically found at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on this icon to proceed. After tapping the search icon, the search or explore page will appear on your screen. This page provides various options for discovering new tokens and features available within the Phantom Wallet. Next, scroll down the search or explore page until you reach the trending tokens section. This section highlights the tokens that are currently popular among users, giving you insight into market trends. Take a moment to review the tokens listed in the trending token section. Each token displayed here represents a growing interest within the community, and you can click on any token for more detailed information if desired. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.